Ever pondered over the way top YouTubers rake in the big bucks? The answers might surprise you. It's not just about viral videos and millions of subscribers. It's about strategy, persistence, and understanding the platform. First things first, what does the journey to becoming a big YouTuber look like? It begins with a niche. It's crucial to decide what your channel will be about. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or lifestyle vlogs, pick a topic you're passionate about. One that you can produce endless content around. Next, consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule, whether it's once a week or every day, stick to it. Consistency helps in building an audience who knows when to expect your content. Now, on to the quality of your content. It's not about having the fanciest camera or the most high-tech equipment. It's about delivering value. Make your videos engaging, informative, and entertaining. Then comes the art of SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your content get discovered. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. Finally, be patient. Growing a successful YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. Now, let's talk money. How do YouTubers make their earnings? There are several ways. One of the most common is through ad revenue. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for YouTube Partner Program. This allows ads to play on your videos and you earn money from those ads. Another way to earn is through sponsorships. Companies pay YouTubers to promote their products or services in videos. You can also create and sell merchandise. This not only brings in money, but also helps in building your brand. Lastly, fan funding. Websites like Patreon allow fans to donate money to their favorite creators. So why not start your own YouTube journey? With a clear vision, consistent effort, and a little bit of patience, you too can join the ranks of the big YouTubers. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Your journey starts with your first video, so go ahead, hit that record button and start creating.